No, I know, but I'm saying Gorilla and you and them probably.
What are you doing? Are you playing in the snow?
The whole foul, I mean, send me the foul model.
It's alright, you know, just playing. Look, see, Preston's not afraid of that.
It was a good match. You know what I mean?
Preston.
Come here.